Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala Rasulihil Kareem. My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, your host Sheikh Khokhar is at your service. The beautiful hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It has been narrated by Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The signs of a hypocrite are four. Number one, whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. Number two, whenever he promises, he always breaks his promise. Number three, if you trust him, he proves to be dishonest. Means if you keep something as a trust, as a amanat with him, he will not return it. Number four, whenever he calls fight with somebody else, he behaves very badly in an insulting manner. Now, my brother and sister, you know who's hypocrite? He's worse than kafir in the punishment. The kafir will be at first level of Jahannam, and the Munafiq, hypocrite, is 7 layers lower in the Jahannam. A'udhu billah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us. Let's check ourselves. Let's check ourselves. Do we tell lies sometimes? If it happened for dunya benefit, we should do tawbah right way now. Ya Allah, forgive me all lies I spoke in my life. And from today, we should make intention. Always we will speak truth. You know, this was the main quality of Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sadiq, and also he was Amin. As if anybody give us something as a trust, we should not mistrust it. We should not misuse it. We should be very, very honest. Honesty is the best policy. Especially when the parents speak lie, the children listen, then they learn the same thing. Even ulama says, we should not promise to the children, I'll give you this, stop crying. And if stop crying, you have to give that. You have to buy for that. Otherwise, we are breaking the promise. So when we promise, we should always abide by the promise. As well as we should be very watchful. We are in the anger. As a result of anger, we fall in the fight or quarreling. So we should not come to this step even. When somebody bothers you and you are getting angry, I will advise, start making Darood Shareef. Drink cold water. change the posture of the body. It is standing, sit down or lie down. Your living room, go to the bedroom. Be away from that person who is bothering you, as a result of whom you are getting angry. So,